no. Hell no. Hell no. POV when a homeless just sneezed on you?
I would kill.
Brother, I would literally disintegrate. Like,
Everybody in that bitch. Nobody ain't leaving. That nigga going down first. That nigga just sprayed everybody in that bitch like that shit had a switch on it.
ugh. Ugh.
Nigga, I will blow that bitch up. You think I'm fucking around?
That is so, dude. We gotta run the fade, bro. Because why are you not covering your mouth, dude? What, like, at least sneeze in your shirt, sneeze in your jacket. Don't fucking achoo. Oh yeah, I gotta fucking beat your ass. Everybody in his vicinity is losing like 20 HP